Hello, I'm Sarah Blake, and welcome to my 450 square foot apartment in Greenwich Village, New York City. I'm a designer and illustrator and a creative director, and I'm a freelancer, so I kind of have built my lifestyle around living and working and finding creative inspiration all in one tiny space in New York. I think the inspiration for my style in my home has to do a lot with my childhood growing up from Virginia, and mid-century modern furniture has always really sort of inspired me, and so I built my space around a couple pieces that I thought were super beautiful. This is my favorite part of my space. It's my desk, and I sort of feel like it's my command station. And it also creates a separation in the space because it's in an L shape, so it kind of divides my room so that I have a sleeping area and then a workspace, and I don't feel like I never stop working. This is my art wall. It's mostly just a collection of stuff from my friends and a couple teachers and mentors, and it just is really inspiring me to have it around while I'm working. In the South, we have lots of cicadas. I think my most profound memory growing up was just collecting all the cicada skins and putting them in mason jars, and that was kind of like my most tactile, creative time as a kid, was getting to explore bugs. And so I think kind of that fascination has followed me into my adulthood. I'm really awkward, I'm sorry.